Hi everyone, this is Navin Manaswi. Now I will talk about sequence tensor. This is a one kind of fixed tensor. Here the numbers will be in arranged way. It will be increasing or decreasing. For example, we have a tf.range function that will take start equal to 6 argument, limit equal to 45, delta equal to 3. It means start with 6, keep increasing by 3 uh, up to 1 less than limit, right? So 4, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on, but not it will not touch 45. So 42 is the last value. Next is tf dot lin space. This is a evenly spaced values, right? So here the upper limit is given low 92, lower limit is given 10, and you create only 5 elements. So you have to create such a 5 element which are evenly spaced. So what is formula? The upper limit minus lower limit divided by 5. This is the separation between each consecutive elements, right? So see here, 92 minus 10 is 82 divided by 5 is how much? 20.5. So see that then the 10, then add 20.5, 30.5, then add 20.5, it becomes 51. You can add 71.5, add 92. This is the sequence tensor. Next is a random tensor, right? Random tensor is you create the random values having some shape. The shape is 2 comma 3. It means two-dimensional array having 2 rows and 3 columns. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 4. It means that you create a random value anything between 0 and 4, right? And it can be anything. It is not a Gaussian shape. It can be anything and equally evenly spaced. So 3.7, it can 2, it can be 2.5, 1.7, 0.9, 3.8. So random value is given, and see here 2 rows and 3 columns. Next is similar, but now it's normally distributed. It means it will need the mean value and standard deviation, right? So it takes 5 and 4. It means around 5 it will be highly placed. So you can expect more value around 5. It means that it would be 3.9, 4.2, or 5.9 sort of. So more values are close to 5. So you create random value having shape 2 comma 3. See here 2 rows 3 columns. Next is shuffle. You create the diagonal matrix. So you know that already 3 square matrix of 3 comma 3 into 3 size, and element is 3 minus 2 4. Then you shuffle it. When you shuffle it, it can go anywhere, right? So it's shuffling, then this uh, top becomes second one, this second become rows, and third row becomes first row, shuffling. Now next is crop random crop means it can cut anyhow, but in a shape of 3 comma 2. So you can expect you have diagonal matrix, you cut such that it becomes this value. So it's like subset of the big matrix. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please stay tuned.